Okay, today I am making, guess what? I'll give you a hint. Coffee. Coffee, 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 coffee. Smells so good.
And I saw another guy, and he's like, "Are you okay? Are you okay?" And then another guy come around the corner. That moment is when I also saw the corner of my eye, Don Miller leaving in his car, and he drove around that big rock. I wasn't there at the time. The driveway was still designed that way. And he drove across the lawn and came out through the ditch and headed that way.
I was working, and that sent up a flag to me that there was something going on there that was more than.
10 years older than Ruth, Canadian Claire Andre introduced Ellis to the luxuries she was far from used to. He sent her carnations and would wine and dine her in the restaurants of Soho.
Claire told her that he really would like to marry her, and Ruth was probably exceedingly flattered that this man in uniform would want to give his life to this young blonde woman.
Ruth's life changed forever at the age of 17 when she fell pregnant. Claire Andre's promises of marriage were revealed to be nothing more than false hope.
What Ruth didn't know, of course, and she didn't get to know this until some investigation into his background was conducted by, of all people, her mother, was that Claire was married with children in Canada. Ruth experienced for the first time rejection, and how easily.
All right, I am going to add my glycerin. So guys, this is my fresh grind coffee. Don't yeah, it smells amazing. It smells amazing. This smells amazing, and I'm gonna add it. Let me just show you guys the consistency. I'm gonna add it now. That's the consistency. And let me tell you guys, the weather out there, oh my goodness. I think my lungs are freezing up. Honestly. I have on a lot of clothes. Well, not a lot of clothes, but my winter thick pajamas and my nice sweater. And let me tell you, it is, ooh, that cold. Let me tell you, it smells like Starbucks in here. It really does. Ugh. This is gonna get hard, guys, because it's super cold. super, super cold. Ooh, I love the smell of this one. Okay. So coffee scrub is the #1 scrub, I tell you. Nothing like coffee scrubs. There is no at all competitive scrubs out there like coffee scrubs. Made with real coffee butter, shea butter, and what was I gonna say? I think I'll have to make some more because I don't think this is enough. But we'll see. Ooh la la. I could have piped it in with a piping bag, but I'm too lazy to set up all that. You know? I'm way too lazy. I'm way too much pain. I have to take off and go take my medication. Okay. It's tickling up, guys. It's tickling up, which is okay. Alright. Ooh. I wish there was a way to smell this stuff because it smells extremely good. I don't drink coffee, but let me tell you, a coffee cake, maybe I should try and make a coffee cake and make sure it smells this good.